I'd never been to a gun show before. The first thing I noticed was, well, not surprisingly, there are a lot of guns. Americans own approximately 270 million guns, which is just under one gun for every man, woman, and child in America. Suppose you're shopping for a pistol for self-protection.
And they're all 9mm, and that's $500 for that one?
5 for this one, 5 for this one, and $250 for that one.
Besides guns, you can shop for fishing reels, scopes, and knives. There are collectibles.
And that makes it worth more or less?
It probably knocks some money off the gun. Those guns are selling for about $2,900.
Oh. And this is stun gun.
This one is a stun gun, yes. This one is nice. You get it turned on. It's got a flashlight.
Whoa. And how much volts does that have?
This one has, I'm sorry, I had to look it up before, like, I'm trying to go off memory here, 850,000 volts that it hits you with, but it's a very brief
How
hit.
much is that?
These are $20. I have not been brave enough to try it.
There's a telescopic sight for any rifle you might like. There are all types of weird collectibles, like these old beer cans and these World War II photos for sale. There was a selection of Nazi memorabilia. These are service medals.
How'd you get them?
Buy, sell, and trade all over. I was stationed in Germany for a couple of years. So there, buy out big collections and stuff like that.
Tell me about these ribbons and medals. What do they mean? How do people get these?
They're in different units. These represent different units from World War I to current. They're called distinctive unit insignia. So depending on what unit they were in, these were for dress uniforms. So you'd wear these on the collars right here.
Uh-huh.
Civil War era.
Oh, a Civil War era.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Well, these are this right here is like the equivalent to the VFW. It's a group. It's called GAR, Grand Army Republic. So they would meet and have reunions, the Union guys and Southern guys.
Do you do gun shows?
Yes.
Tell me about them.
Yesterday it was very good.
What do you sell mostly?
Bullets.
Bullets and also ammo?
So good.
Can I feel?
Our company is J&L Knives and Jewelry, and my husband hand makes the knives, and I hand make all the jewelry.
Lovely. And you sell mostly at gun shows?
This is actually our first show to work together. We just got married this past April, so
Oh, congratulations.
this is our first time bringing our creative efforts together.
So we have shooter's lube, we have a solvent and an oil. The oil comes with a needle applicator. It's for the hard to reach places, and a regular applicator, and then a spray nozzle for your oil.
And what are
Or
they
for the
used
solvent. I'm sorry.
What are they used for?
So the solvent will take off all the carbon and everything from your firearm after shooting it, and then you have your oil for your lubricant.
Reversible masks.
And you make them yourself?
I do.
Can you show me one?
This one, the one that I have in my pocket,
This one's a snow leopard.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
And on the inside are wolves and eagles.
Goes to the local animal rescue. They take in stray dogs, abandoned dogs and cats. They get them healthy, they foster them, and then they have them adopted.
Oh my gosh, they have medical bags.
So with the My Medic brand, everything that's in here we can order as individual items. One benefit with what they have, you'll see that everything is sealed and it is resealable. So that will keep everything from getting contaminated until you need it, and you can go back and reseal it, right? So this is good for 5 critical patients. You've got your sutures, you've got your staple removers, your compartments are removable. So depending on how you want to organize that, if you want all your hemorrhage control in one compartment, all your surgical in another, kind of like this one.
Bulletproof vests to avoid this kind of result. This AR-15 can shoot 150 bullets in 22 seconds.
So we're getting the homemade peach jam and homemade raspberry jalapeno jam. That should be very tasty. Ooh, like that.
These are 19th century rifles that come with bayonets. How about a genuine samurai sword? Outside the show sat 2 ATF agents. They didn't want to be photographed. There sure is a lot to see at a gun show.